one of the important other, based on the not just on the retrospective, but from a review perspective, the teams also needs to consistently understand that not everything can be. Let's look at the next page. So that not everything can be thought of right now. So there is a possibility that we might have to continuously evolve the backlog. If it's a new product that everybody is trying to kind of visualize how things would be, we need to embrace those changes. It's not like saying we did a release planning, everything was locked down, now you are coming and asking for a change. Now we need to, because there is a, until somebody has seen things visually, even the client wasn't very clear of what he needed. So now that you have started to show him a lot of value, show him a lot of good things, there is a need for certain changes that the person wants to understand, that how his USP or how unique selling proposition of the product can be enhanced, how he can beat the customer, and how as an organization we can excel in whatever we're trying to do. So what we are trying to generally achieve in a release planning or in a meetings is we want to get the high priority items out of the door quickly so that they get value immediately from the thing. That's one of the reasons why backlog grooming is typically done. Backlog grooming is nothing but continually reviewing the backlog to see if always the high priority top items are on the top. Plus, are there any new items that are coming in? Do we need any changes to be done and things like that? So that's more or less leads us to a point where we would like to understand, why agile contracting is pretty tough, especially with a client and an IT services kind of a notion, which we will be covering in the upcoming sessions, which talks about once we have locked down everything, which is in traditional way we call it freezing requirements. Once we have locked down the contract, how do we kind of take things forward and still be able to embrace change to an extent that is beneficial? It's a win-win for both the client as well as the team that's working on.